Southern Credit Partners, partnering with your realtor, dealer, or lender to help you qualify for an FHA loan. Partnering with you to improve your lifestyle. The fourth section is necessary to understand for those who have not met the credit requirements, but this does not just mean your credit score, so we advise everyone to pay close attention to this area whether or not you have fair or excellent credit scores. In this section, we'll discuss how to improve credit through disputing negative credit items, adding new credit, and debt settlement. What is the range of credit scores, and how does that affect you even if you don't want to purchase a home? A score of 619 or lower is considered a poor score. This is a low score. 750 or higher is considered an excellent score. This is a high score. Poor credit affects you in so many ways, from high interest rates to high monthly payments to loan rejection to lower overall standard of living. Did you know that with a low credit score, a car loan could end up costing you double the original car's price? If your car's price is $20,000, you could end up spending $40,000 over the life of the loan with low credit scores. So why do you need credit improvement? 75% of credit reports contain multiple errors. We often see credit reports with more than half of the negative items being reported incorrectly or not being verified by the creditors. And according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the credit bureaus are required to remove those items. This is the law, and this is the basis of our disputes on your behalf. Credit improvement does so many things to improve your standard of living, from lowering your interest rates to saving you upwards of thousands of dollars per year. You can expect improved buying power with lower down payments and the ability to purchase on credit rather than paying all up front at once. Loan approval is just the start. Credit improvement gives you choice and gives you freedom. So what makes up your credit score? There are a variety of different factors that go into the formula. The most significant effect is your credit history, which makes up 35% of your credit score. Your credit history is whether or not you make timely payments. This includes late payments, charge-offs, collections, judgments, bankruptcy, and other negative history, all of which will decrease your credit score. History will only improve through removing inaccurate or unverifiable negative items from your credit report. This is the most difficult part to achieve, but the good news is this is one of the areas we help you improve your credit. The balance owed makes up 30% of your credit score. For example, if you had a $1,500 line of credit on your credit card and you used 100% of that, this is called a high debt ratio. A high debt ratio decreases your credit score. If you pay some or all of your balance down, it will cause your credit score to go up because your debt ratio has gone down. Length of your credit history makes up 15% of your credit score. This is how long you have had credit. Would you rather a newly graduated doctor operate on you rather than an experienced surgeon? Similarly, lenders would prefer an experienced borrower over a new one. The fourth factor is your recent credit or your new credit. Different types of new credit make your credit score either increase or decrease depending on your current lines of credit and other factors. We can help you achieve the optimal mix to help increase your credit score. Note, lenders want to lend you money when you don't need it. If they see that you've been applying for credit card after credit card with several lenders, this is a warning sign that you may need the money much more than they want to lend it to you. There's a fine line between too much and too little lines of credit. The fifth and final factor is your credit in your credit score is your mix of credit, which makes up 10% of your credit score. You should have a reasonable mix of credit cards, loans, and mortgages for the highest score possible. If you have no open lines of credit, you may have a 0 credit score as well, and this is no better than having poor credit. Here's an example of the credit repair portion of our services. It shows you an average type response from the credit bureaus after we have disputed negative items from the client's credit report. This report shows the negative items that have been deleted and removed from one person's credit report, and other items from the credit report showing having new information, which could mean removal, closed, marked as paid, etc. We also work on repossessions, collections, liens, bankruptcies, foreclosures, charge-offs, late payments, and as you can see, even removal of judgments. Our motivation is to get you qualified. We go above and beyond what other credit repairs companies are willing to do. We work on all 4 areas of your credit and show you how to meet all the FHA loan requirements. We dispute all negative items on your behalf. We help you with debt negotiation and settlement where that is needed. We help add new positive lines of credit at the best rates with easiest approvals. This is the most critical step that needs to be taken as soon as you get started. Unfortunately, 95% of our clients need to add another 2 to 3 lines of credit for approval. We don't know of any other credit repair company that does more than one of these 4 services, and they even limit the number of negative items they dispute. After you fill out the buyer information sheet, Step 2 requires you to obtain a credit report through a credit monitoring service. When you do this yourself, it will not place a negative hard hit to your credit score. If a mortgage broker, bank, or anyone else runs your credit report, it will reduce your credit score by up to 5 points. This can mean the difference between a rejection and an approval. Get your credit report by going to www.southerncreditpartners.com/creditreport.html and sign up for credit monitoring from that page. This is the only monitoring service that we recommend that offers 3 scores and reports from all bureaus monthly, plus a 1-month free trial. There is no other service that works for our needs except for one other that is double the price. This will tell us how much credit improvement you'll need to qualify, if any. It will also tell us if you need additional lines of credit in order to qualify. This monitoring service also allows us to track your score as it changes. It helps us to confirm the negative items that are supposed to be removed are actually coming off, and shows us the others that remain that we need to continue disputing. 95% of our clients need more positive open lines of credit, which is an FHA requirement and a critical step in increasing one's credit score. Either way, do not hesitate getting your new line of credit. Go to www.southerncreditpartners.com/linesofcredit.html. The quicker this happens, the faster your score will be at the right level for approval. This step improves your credit score more and more with each month you have it. After we review your credit report, we will determine if you'll need credit improvement, and unfortunately 9 out of 10 of our clients do. If so, you'll need to start this service online or over the phone. Go to www.southerncreditpartners.com/partner1.html or call toll-free 800-355-7935. You'll have 3 payment options. Option 1 is for a setup of $199 plus an $89 monthly fee. This is the published retail package for anyone who wants credit improvement. Option 2 is a special affiliate partner VIP plan of $150 setup fee and only one other payment of $150 due in 60 days. Option 3 is a one-time payment of $250. also exclusively for affiliated clients. Option 2 and 3 save you approximately $900 in credit repair because your dealer, realtor, or lender pays the balance of your credit repair costs when you're buying a home through them. Plus, any initial payments you make out of pocket on credit improvement go towards your home purchase. So in the end, you incur no credit repair costs when you buy a home through one of our affiliates. Don't delay, start today. Start online 24 hours a day or over the phone with one of our representatives between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Saturday. We look forward to helping you towards your goals.